Alright, so the client called and they absolutely love this website design and they're ready for us to start programming it. Now they did have a couple little changes to it that I did just to kind of simplify the process of what we're going to be doing here. I pulled out one of the sections at the bottom with all that text and the carousel photos. Again, just for the sake of speed and trying to show you everything that we need to show you, that part wasn't necessary, so I just eliminated the one area, but we have everything else still here. And what we're going to do is we're going to convert this to HTML, and we're also going to grab some CSS elements so that we can then give this on to a front-end developer who will then start to program this and then either turn this into a HTML site or a WordPress template or whatever the case may be. But there are just some certain things that you're going to need to know to be able to do those things, and that's what we're going to jump into next.